Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how to send voice messages on Discord on PC or your laptop. So first of all, just open up your web browser, then search WANcard. Click on the first link, then click on download. Just download WANcard. Once it's downloaded, open it up. Now just click on install. When it says successfully patched, open up your Discord. Now go into settings, scroll down where it says plugins. Now search for voice message. Toggle this on, click on settings, make sure everything is okay, save and close. Then go onto your server, click on the plus sign and click on send voice message. Now you can start recording or upload a voice message, and this is how you can send voice messages on Discord, on laptop or PC. If this helped you, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel.